In this video, I'm gonna answer the question, how long does the battery last on Nothing Phone 3a? So the answer is provided by gsmarena.com tests, which we can find on their website. The use score is 13 hours 38 minutes. So this is some sort of a average time based on pretty much the average use of the phone doing various different things. Of course, if you just use the phone for calls and nothing else, then the battery will last even 38 hours. However, if you use, for example, for web browsing, it might last for 11 hours, maybe even less. While watching videos, it might reach even 80, maybe almost 19 hours. And for gaming, of course, the time for the battery will be the shortest, and it is apparently slightly over 8 hours. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!